Eagles game was terrible, but there was this great moment on live TV that happened before the game.
So this is Saturday during our 6 o'clock news. Who was it? Brad Satin was out there at the link doing interviews, people tailgating, pre-party before the game, and then this happened.
Rich and Jessica, could anything make you happier than a big win?
Nothing. This is the best Christmas ever. This will just top it all.
Rich, is there anything that can make her happier?
I think I got something that can
What
make
is
her
that?
happier.
You know, I was in Denver, Colorado when this happened, but it went onto the internet. It was all over the country, as a matter of fact. And look who's in the studio now. Congratulations.
Jessica, Rich, congrats. I was like clapping and shouting
I
along.
just cry over and
You
over
did
and watch
cry.
it.
What was it like in that moment?
It was like a dream. I'm like, is this real life right now? That's what I kept saying. Is this real life?
Well, can you take us through it? Because when did you know you were going to do it? Because you didn't know that Brad was going to go out there and interview you.
I did not. I think I picked the date once the Eagles schedule was released, actually.
So you knew you were going to do it that night.
That night, yes.
But did you call Brad ahead of time?
I did not. He just happened to be there in the parking lot. Big thank you to Brad for coming up with that idea.
So he just happens to go by.
Happened to be
Do you
there.
pull him over and go, hey, I'm going to do something?
I did not. I
Well, he
wasn't as nervous. He knew. One of my buddies mentioned it to him. And he said, hey, do you want to hang around for this? And then he came up to me with the idea. He said, hey, I could interview you guys and we could do live news. Would you be up for that? I'm like,
Well, at first I thought it wasn't going so well because you were so stunned.
Oh, yeah. I was just excited to be in front of the TV. Like, yeah, Eagles! And then out of nowhere.
Oh my goodness, you just shook your hand and I saw an ice skating ring. I'm a girl, we need to show it off. Gorgeous ring. You did great there, but
You did amazing.
absolutely stunning.
Hold.
Absolutely so
Hold.
beautiful.
Hold. We'll eventually get it. We're working on it. We have a team of
You know, as a girl, we gotta see the ring. Beautiful. Isn't that
You need
so
sunglasses.
stunning? Oh, congratulations.
nicely done.
me and Mike have the same jeweler.
They
They told me about you, yeah.
Is that right?
Rich.
Is that where you got it?
Rich,
Yeah. Rich Goldberg.
Yeah.
Right?
But-
So we have another announcement to make, right?
You guys can top that. Baby.
The baby's on the way.
We're so excited. When are you due?
March 14th.
My baby's March 13th, 11/7. You just had a big gender reveal party. What's it
Yes.
gonna be?
A boy.
I see the blue balloons. How cute are you guys? Look at you rocking
Where
it.
do you two live?
I live in West Deptford. He lives in Oakland,
Oakland,
Yeah.
Jersey.
So when is the wedding?
2017, we're thinking, when I'm done school and
Yeah. Where do
I'm
you go?
going for occupational therapy at Philadelphia University.
How long have you known each other?
Oh, it's been like,
Of three and a half years.
we
Is he,
worked together for a long
Hold.
time.
Where did you work?
McFadden's Ballpark.
Oh yeah. I'm in there all the time.
Yeah.
So
So we worked together. He had a crush on me.
yeah,
And it
For
took
about
a
6 months,
while.
I had to chase her.
6 months.
Yeah.
And so where'd you go on your first date?
We went to Max Brenner in the city.
Oh, chocolate.
And he just blew me away.
Really?
I'd never been there before.
And from then on, it's been on.
Well, I had something deep down, and then we kissed on August 26th.
Magic. Fire.
Memorial
Labor
Labor Day. And that was it. I was texting my friends.
Wait,
like,
I have a better idea.
He's the guy.
He's the one.
I'm just gonna change your whole life. I think you should come on Good Day and have your wedding here on Good Day and get married. Let's do a Valentine's
That'd be
Day
so
wedding.
great.
Let's do it. We'll have Brad Satin do the ceremony.
You might have to definitely be invited to the wedding.
No, that's good to see you, man. Nice job.
Congratulations.
Thank you for having us.
So
You got